Hey everyone and welcome back. Want to create custom views that show you exactly the tasks you need? Let me show you how to use filters in Todoist. First, know your free plan limit. The free version allows up to 3 custom filters. That's plenty for most people if you use them wisely. To create a filter, go to Filters and Labels in your left sidebar. Click the plus icon next to Filters. Name your filter and pick a color. Now, enter your filter query. This is where the power is. Here are the basic symbols. Use AND for AND, vertical bar for OR, and for not T. Use parentheses to group conditions. Here are useful free filter queries. For your daily focus, try today vertical bar overdue. This shows everything due today or is everything due today or earlier. For high priority tasks, P1, vertical bar, P2, and deno date. This shows priority 1 or 2 tasks that have dates. To find tasks in your inbox, hash inbox, this shows only inbox tasks. For phone calls across any project, at calls and subtask. This excludes subtasks, so you only see main tasks. To hide subtasks entirely, subtask add this to any filter to see only parent tasks. To use wildcards in searches, Todoist now supports wildcards. Type search :egg to find tasks starting with egg, or search :milk for tasks ending with milk. Pro tip, use commas to show separate lists in one filter. Example, date yesterday. Today shows yesterday's tasks first, then today's below. And that's it. With filters, you can build custom dashboards that show exactly the tasks you need when you need them. If you create a useful filter, share your query in the comments. See you in the next one.